Hello there and welcome to StatNote. StatNote is a tool to expedite your medical documentation. It will save you many hours of typing or dictating and will allow you to focus on what really matters, your patient. Let's get started by following these 3 easy steps. StatNote partners with TextExpander to provide and use our templates. First, let's create an account with TextExpander. If you already have an account, skip the first 2 steps. Click on step 1 to open the link to TextExpander and sign up. After signing up, you will receive a verification email. Go ahead and click Verify Me. This will send you to a welcome page. Once you're there, fill in the information, select your preferences, and click Continue. Select Lifehacker since your account will be for personal use. StatNote is a TextExpander affiliate. They provide the software and we provide the content. They offer annual and monthly subscription plans. For now, click on Test Drive for a 30-day free trial. In step 2, we're going to download the TextExpander app. Download the app, install it, and launch TextExpander in your computer. Sign in with your account. To get your dot phrases, click on the link to step 3 sent to your email. On the browser window that pops up, click Subscribe to Group. You're all set. Now you can start using StatNote dot phrases. Check out our next video to learn the basics. Thanks for watching.